So in this episode, let's learn how to work with padding widget. Like I said in the last video, you can use padding widget to add some space between the text widget and this card, and this will increase the size of this card. To do that, let's click on this text widget, click on this yellow bolt and select this option, wrap with padding. This will insert the padding widget. If you hover over it, you'll see we have two properties. We have the required padding, which takes a class of EdgeInsets.geometric class, and we have the widget. By default, this will insert a EdgeInsets class with a name constructor all and with a value for your padding. If you hover over it, you will see this is a double value. So when we save, you can see that the size of this card will increase a bit, but you can also increase it by adding more value for your padding. And you can see this will add a 30 pixel all around your text widget, so top, bottom, left and right. But here in this class we also have other options. Instead of this name constructor all, we have the from, left, top, right and bottom. You have this option view. From view padding, we have the only, and we have also the symmetric. So from left, top, right and bottom, you specify different values from each side. And from only, you can use it when you need to add padding in just one side. Let's say if you want to add a 30 pixel on the left side, you can use this class only, and then you provide the value for your left side padding. And symmetric is when you want to add top and bottom the same value of padding, and left to right take the same value. So it takes two properties, vertical and horizontal, and both take a double as a value. So let's start working with only. So if you hover over this only name constructor, you can see we have a bunch of properties. These are called name parameter. Why? Because you can see right here these curly braces. So you start typing the name, and then you add the value for that side. So let's say we want to add 30 pixel of padding from the left. So you use the left and then the 30.0 for the value. Save. And you can see we now have only the padding on the left side. If you want to add for top, the same thing. You start typing top and then let's say 50.0, save. And now we have a 50 padding on the top side. So again, you can use only when you need to add a padding in one or two sides. If you want to use symmetric, let's call this symmetric. And here, instead of left and top, we have the vertical and we also have the horizontal. So let's say right here for the horizontal, let's use 30, and for the vertical, let's use 50. Save. Now you have 50 padding from top and bottom and 30 from left to right. And if you use from left, top and right, here, if you hover over it, you will see now we don't have a name parameter, but instead we have position parameter. So the first value will be from the left side, the second one from the top, and then the right and the bottom. So let's say 30.0, give it a comma, then 40.0, comma, let's do again 30.0. And now let's use 50.0. Save. And you can see here we have 30 pixels from the left, 40 pixels from the top, 30 pixels from the right, and 50 pixels from the bottom. So these are all the name constructors you can use to work with padding widget. Let's leave into all. As you can see, the all will add same value from all sides. So this is how you can work with padding widget in Flutter. And one more thing, if you hover over this card widget, you will notice that the margin are taking the same type of class as the padding. So you can use the same name constructor right here to insert margin to your card as you do with padding widget. In the next video, we'll learn how to work with containers. Container is another widget from Material Design that you can use to customize a child widget, but you have more option than a card widget. You can also add the margin and the padding without using the padding widget, and you can also use an image as a background, and you can customize properties the same way as we did with the card widget. So this is it for this video. If you find this video useful, give a like and subscribe for more videos and to help our channel. See you on the next one.